Okay, see question number 18, JE 2016 question. It takes a little bit time. Okay, number of options you have to, what we can say, how to do it. See, question is simple, but the process is lengthy. The sum of all real values of x satisfying the equation x square minus 5x plus 5 whole to the power of x square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 1 is. Thing is here, x value how to find, but x value for here two values may come, or else may vary also. Okay? Okay, let us see. You are going to get some idea if you proceed. Okay, see here, to satisfy 1, what you require? Any base power 0 equal to 1. That we know. That means, see, if x square minus 5x plus 5 whole to the power of 0 is equal to 1 implies 0 means what? You have to take x square plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. Okay? This is one case. First case. I will put first case. Second case, if, see, this may not be 0, that is different thing. But here what you can tell, you can say if x square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 1 directly. 1 power anything is 1. Implies 1 power x square plus 4x minus 6 is equal to 1. Okay? See, finally this one should satisfy. See, if numerator, sorry, not numerator, see, base is something, but power is 0, that also 1. If base is, power is not 0, for sake, power is not 0, but here power is 0, first condition. Second condition, power is not 0, but this should be equal to 1. 1 power something is 1. Okay, that is one condition. And another condition also I am telling, third one. If x square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to minus 1. At this time also, minus 1 also. Minus power something. See, x square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to even roots. What is this meaning? See, x square plus 4x minus 16 is equal to even number. Even roots has to come. Even roots means automatically, see what I want to say. 1 power anything, 239 also 1 only. That we know. But minus 1 power 9 minus 1. Minus 1 power 8 1. Why? Because even number. Even times if you multiply minus 1, then plus 1 will come. Okay, minus 1 square 1. Minus 1 cube minus 1. Okay, that means in third case, base you can keep minus 1, but power x square plus 4x minus 16 gives not equal to, gives even roots. If even roots if this gives, then that time also is equal to 1, it is going to apply. Okay, see, 3 conditions we have to see, and what are the numbers will come, we will note down. Okay, let us see these 3 conditions. Let me write first condition. First condition, see, x square plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. See, what will come can we take factors? Definitely. Why? Because see, 10 into 6 is 60, 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay? What will happen here? 10 into minus 6 is minus 60, 10 minus 6 is 4. Like that you split it. Then I am splitting, you see, x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 equal to 0. X I want to take common, x minus 10 will come. Here also x minus 10 has to come. And x square minus 10x, okay. X square plus 10x. Plus 10x. X square plus 10x, okay. Because 10 minus 6, 4. 10 into minus 6, 60. Okay. See, But minus 6 you take common. Why? Because see, minus 6x minus 60. Okay. Now what is the value of x? X is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 10. Write down. X is equal to 6, x is equal to minus 10. You box it. Okay, minus 10 and 6. Okay, those two values I have written and kept aside. Now go for second one. Second option. Second option, you see, x square minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 1. Write down. X square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 1. Or else x square minus 5x, if this comes this side, minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. Plus 4 equal to 0. See, 1 into 4 is 4. And 1 plus 4 is 5. That means see, minus 1 into minus 4, if you write automatically, minus 5 will come. Write down that. X square minus 4x minus x plus 4 equal to 0. Is it okay? Minus 4x minus x minus 5x. Then write down. X if you take common, x minus 4 minus 1 if you take, that is equal to 0. Okay, x square minus 4x minus x plus 4. Okay. In this case, what are the values of x? X is equal to 1, comma x is equal to 4. This also you box it. That means see, now total 4 values you have got for x. Sum of all real values you have to add, but second, third portion also is there, and you have to verify also. Okay. Let me do this for third one. You see, for third one, x square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to minus 1. But when it is going to happen, this should give even roots. So, has it given even roots? Yes, definitely. Why? Because 6 and 10 are even only. Okay? 6 and 10 are even only. You may ask, sir, minus 10, how it is going to become even? It is even only. Why? Because you see, that is root. Na? See, something, I will take this as minus 1. You see, minus 1. I have taken this as minus 1. Third option. Minus 1 power minus 10. Okay? How it is going to happen? You see here, shall I keep 1 by minus 1 power 10? Why? Because minus, if comes bottom or denominator, this is going to happen like this. That means 1 by minus 1 power 10 is 1 only. 1 by 1 is 1 only. Okay? That is why minus 1 you can take. Okay, now see third option. Third option is x square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to minus 1. X square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to minus 1. Or else x square minus 5x minus 1, if this side comes, means plus 6 is equal to 0. See, 5 into 1 is, 6 into 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. No. 2 into 3 you take. Minus 2 into minus 3. Okay? 6 plus 6 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Or else x if you take common, x minus 3 minus 2x means minus 2 equal to 0. Or else what we can take? We can take x is equal to 3, x is equal to 2. Okay? See, total how many roots or values you have got? 6 minus 10, 1, 4, 3, 2. Why? Because see, some roots are for base, some roots are for index or power. But even though both areas x only is there, this is also x, this is also x. That means once you take x means you have to satisfy here and here. Once you take 3, it has to satisfy here and here. But like this, these are satisfying. We don't know. Let us check. See, first of all, these two we did not check. Why? Because see, 6 minus 10 is for power. Whether this is going to become anything or not, that is different thing. But something power 0 is 1. That is why x is equal to 6 and minus 10 we did not check. That means see, confirm I am writing. X is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 10. Okay, these are confirmed. Why? Because if x is equal to 6, automatically 36 plus 24, 60 minus 60, 0. Minus 10 if you take, automatically 100. Minus 40 minus 60. Minus 40 minus 60 minus 100 plus 100, 0. That means this is going to become 0. Something power 0 is 1. That is why these two values are intact. We did not check. Go for 1 and 4. See how I am doing. At x is equal to 1. See, numerator and denominator both has to satisfy. See, here, okay. It is okay, but here. But what about power? Both we will see. See, if at x is equal to 1, 1 minus 5 plus 5. Okay, 1 power. This is okay, 1 power something will come, we know. But what about this? 1 plus 4 minus 60. Okay, that is equal to. See, plus 5 minus 60 minus 55. That means, see, this is going to cancel. 1 power minus 55. This is, shall I write 1 by 1 power 55? Definitely I can write. That means this is going to be 1 only. Why? Because this is also 1, that is also 1. 1 by 1 is 1. That means, see, x is equal to 1 is also satisfied. I am writing here. X is equal to 1 is also okay. Okay. Now, go for x is equal to 4. At x is equal to 4. 4 means, you see, 4 square 16 minus 20 plus 5. Okay. Power, see, 4 square 16 plus 16 minus 60. See, 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 minus 20 is 1. 1 power. See, 32 minus 60 minus 48. This is also, shall I write 1 by 1 power 48, that is equal to 1? Definitely. That means, see, x is equal to 4 is also okay. Until now 4 roots have come. Okay. Until now 4 roots have come. Now go for x is equal to 2. X is equal to 3 we don't go. Why? Because we will go last. Why? Because that is not applicable. We will see first x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2. 4 minus 10 plus 5. Okay. Power, see, 4 plus 8 minus 60. Okay. 4 into 2 8. 4 square. No, 2. 4 into 2 8. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 8 minus 60. Okay. See, 9 minus 5 minus 1. Minus 1 power. Minus 60 plus 12. Minus 48. This is also 1. Why? Because, see, how it is going to come? 1 by minus 1 power 48. Minus 1 power 48 means even. Even number means 1 will come. Denominator, numerator by denominator, 1 by 1, 1. That means, see, x is equal to 2 is also okay. Okay. Now, last one, go for x is equal to 3. That will not come. Why? Because, see, some problem is there. At x is equal to 3, denominator you see 9 minus 3 into 5, 15 plus 5. See here, 9 plus 12 minus 60. Okay, see, 14 minus 1 will come. Okay, we know very well minus 1. Here you see, plus 21 minus 60. 9 2, 29. Okay, 3 means minus 1 will come, okay, but here 3 square 9, okay, 3 into 4 12, okay, 60. 21, 60 minus 21, 10 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 3, 39. 5 minus 2, 39, minus 39. Okay, minus 39. See here, minus 1 power, odd number has come. Odd number. That means, see, shall write 1 by minus 1 power 39. Minus 1 power 39 means minus 1 will come. That means, see, 1 by minus 1. But you should get 1. That means, see, x is equal to 3 is not valid. Okay, not valid. Then what is your answer? You add all these. X is equal to sum, not x is sum of all. Sum is equal to 6 plus 6 minus 10 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2. Okay? 3 you should not take it. See, 6 plus 4, 10 you cancel out. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 will be your answer. Where is 3? This will be your answer. Understand? Let us go for next question.